Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you are new here, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we have some really interesting videos coming up. Today's video is going to be on the top 3 herbal remedies for sun damage freckles, so let's dive into it. The first one is oatmeal or oat. It has been used for thousands of years to treat all kinds of skin issues like bug bites, poison ivy, sunburn, and even eczema. Oatmeal contains avenanthramides, which are antioxidants that can reduce inflammation caused by sun exposure. They also help with repairing the skin barrier, which is essential for protecting against further damage from the sun. This is how you use it. Mix 1/2 cup of ground flaxseed with 1/4 cup of yogurt and apply this mixture to your face for 15 minutes before rinsing. You can do this once or twice a week to get rid of freckles. But before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. If you find our videos helpful, please support us. Your support helps us to continue helping others. Thank you. Our second remedy is aloe vera. You probably already know about aloe vera's healing properties. But did you know that it can also help with fading freckles? Aloe vera contains antioxidants and enzymes that can repair sun-damaged skin and reduce the appearance of freckles. These properties also help to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized, which is important in maintaining overall skin health. This is how you use it. Take a fresh aloe vera leaf from the plant and extract the gel. Apply this gel to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can do this once or twice a day until you see results. But before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. If you find our videos helpful, please support us. Your support helps us to continue helping others. Thank you. Now let's move on to our third remedy, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which can help fade freckles by reducing melanin production. It also has antimicrobial properties that can protect your skin from future damage. This is how you use it. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a bowl. Soak a cotton ball in the mixture and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing and follow with a moisturizer. Do this once or twice a week until you see results. If you want to accelerate your results, you can combine these remedies. Just be careful not to overtreat your skin or you may cause irritation. You can also check out some of our other videos on skincare and other health-related stuff. Now let's talk about some additional tips that can help you get rid of freckles. The first one is stay out of the sun. The best way to prevent sun damage is to stay out of the sun during peak hours, which is between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. During this time, the sun's rays are the strongest and most harmful, so it's important to take precautions such as wearing protective clothing, seeking shade, and using sunscreen to protect your skin. You should also avoid using tanning beds or sun lamps, which can also cause sun damage. Another tip is use sunscreen. Sunscreen is an essential part of protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Look for a sunscreen that has an SPF of 30 or higher, and that protects against both UVA and UVB rays. Apply sunscreen liberally and evenly to your skin, and reapply it every 2 hours or as directed on the label. It is also important to note that sunscreen should be used in conjunction with other sun protection measures such as protective clothing, hats, and sunglasses. Let's talk about protective clothing. Wearing protective clothing is another important step in protecting your skin from sun damage. This includes wearing long-sleeved shirts, pants, and hats that cover your shoulders and neck. Choose clothing that is loose-fitting and lightweight to allow for better air circulation. And choose fabrics that are tightly woven as they tend to offer more protection from the sun. Another tip is stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is important for overall skin health and can help protect your skin from sun damage. When your body is dehydrated, your skin can become dry and flaky, which can make it more susceptible to sun damage. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and avoid sugary drinks, which can dehydrate your body. You should also eat a healthy diet. Eating a diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help protect your skin from sun damage. Fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your skin from free radicals produced by UV radiation. Whole grains are also important as they contain nutrients that promote skin health. Additionally, avoiding processed foods and sugary drinks can help protect your skin from damage. Let's talk about exfoliate your skin. Exfoliating your skin can help remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin. This can help improve the appearance of freckles and other types of sun damage. However, it is important not to overdo it with exfoliation, as this can cause irritation and damage to your skin. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub or chemical exfoliant once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells without causing damage to your skin. Now let's talk about protect yourself from pollution. Air pollution can contribute to skin damage and can make freckles worse, so it's important to take steps to protect yourself from pollution. This includes staying indoors when the air quality is poor, wearing a mask while outdoors, and using a humidifier to improve indoor air quality. The last tip is visit a dermatologist. If you're concerned about the appearance of your freckles or other types of sun damage, consider visiting a dermatologist. A dermatologist can provide professional treatments such as laser therapy or chemical peels to help improve the appearance of your skin. They can also provide personalized advice and recommendations for taking care of your skin. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please leave a comment below to let me know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great videos on health and wellness. Thanks for watching.